my channel. My name is Kavya Kurumile. In case you're new to my channel, I'm a travel and lifestyle vlogger. So today I am here at one of the beautiful hotels in Mumbai. I am here at Trident Hotel.
No, my Mustang get no color. Yeah, my Mustang get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh, yet it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. Oh, yet it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour. L'amour a la raison. L'amour et moi, nous sommes un. Nous sommes un.
That's the room tour. So I have ordered something from Zomato. I'll be eating and I'll be then checking out the pool area.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour. L'amour a la raison. L'amour et moi, nous sommes un. Nous sommes un.
And this is Oberoi Hotel's pool area. Of course, you cannot access the pool, but still you can come here, chill and enjoy the view. Also, this is like connected. Irrespective of which hotel you stay with, you can use both the areas. The other side of the pool has this joggers park and also kids area. So in case you're coming up with your kids, this is definitely a place where you want to hang out. And this is the main pool area of Trident Hotel. Isn't this amazing? Yeah, it's a golden hour now. Sun is about to set and it is looking so fabulous. Like, look at the view from here. Oh, I'm so in love with it.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour. L'amour a la raison. L'amour et moi, nous sommes un. Nous sommes un.
area is kind of occupied, but the gym, it's beautiful. Like you'll find all the equipments over here and you will not miss your regular gym at all. This is the waiting area for the salon. In case you want a haircut, you can come down here, and this is the sunroom where you can enjoy the sunset, sunrise, and this is the view from my room in night. This is amazing. Ignore the TV please, but look at the skyline. It looks amazing. Hey guys, good morning. So today is day 2 and I'll get ready, explore, and then we'll have breakfast.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer?
So I'm all set. We are going down for breakfast. Let's see what's in the breakfast.
L'amour, l'amour, à la raison. L'amour et moi, nous sommes un, nous sommes un.
Was super nice. He made this eggless French toast exclusively for me, and this is from the healthy section, and I loved the yogurt. You can definitely try that. And this is the ragi dosa. It is super crispy and you should definitely try this one. Done with my breakfast, so I'm gonna explore a little more over here. This is the cafe in the lobby area, and it's quite amazing and beautiful to have these lights, and the view from here is breathtaking because I love Marine Drive and I can seriously see it across the street. And this is the view from the topmost floor of Trident. Isn't it amazing? Like you can see everything. Of course, there is a work going on, so these curtains and all are there, but it's really beautiful from up here. This is the gallery and also a pathway between Oberoi and Trident. Also, they have stores over here. You can actually buy all the stuff you're seeing. And this is a glimpse of Oberoi Hotel from inside. Yep, I'm back to the room now. वाओ व्हाट एन अमेजिंग स्टे. लाइक मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि एक मिनट, वहाँ पर कहीं पर हमेशा कॉलेज टाइम पर आकर बैठती वगैरह थी दोस्तों के साथ, एंड एवरी टाइम मैं देखती थी ये वाला होटल एंड ऑल. आज यहाँ से व्यू देखना कमाल का है. व्यू आई एम लाइक टोटली इन लव विद मरीन ड्राइव. बहुत टाइम से दिस यूज टू बी माई most hangout places to say, and sitting over here especially at night and पूरे colors and everything बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. So yeah, I am ending my vlog here. अभी चेकआउट का टाइम भी हो गया है So in case you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.